Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Abiword, the lightweight word processor for Linux. So there are many ways you can install it. You can install it from all of the package repositories, and you can also get it as a Flatpak. We're going to talk about how to install it on Ubuntu, because most people use Ubuntu, and we're also going to talk about how to get it from Flatpak. So let's start off by installing it for Ubuntu. So if you want to get Abiword for Ubuntu, you can just do sudo apt install Abiword, like so. Enter your password. It'll download all of the things it needs, and it will set it up on your system. And as you see, Abiword is right there, and we can launch it. Now, it is also possible to install it as a Flatpak. So if you do Flatpak, search Abiword, you can see that the package is right here, so you can go ahead and copy that app ID and do sudo flatpak install flathub followed by the name of the package. It will find everything it needs, and it's going to download these four things. You can click yes, press the Y button on your keyboard and let it download everything it needs, and it will download and set up the program. Once Abiword is done installing from the Flatpak store, you can open it up like so, and that is how you get Abiword working on Linux for Flatpak and Ubuntu. If you need to learn how to install it for your distribution, please check the link in the description. I hope this video was informative, and I will help you guys in the next video.